Samsung has always been a leader in the smartphone camera game, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. While some competitors, especially from Chinese brands, are making leaps every year, Samsung has taken a more measured approach. This year, the Galaxy S25 Ultra features just one major hardware upgrade. But don't let that fool you. The improvements in image quality and video performance are nothing short of impressive. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. At the heart of the camera system is a combination of refined hardware and innovative software. The phone retains the 200-megapixel ISO primary camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the ultra-wide camera has received a significant boost, upgraded from 12 megapixels to an impressive 50 megapixels. This means sharper images, improved macro shots, and better little light performance thanks to its wider aperture that allows more light to hit the sensor. The result? Photos with less noise and faster shutter speeds, even in challenging conditions. Samsung's new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip powers the ProVisual Engine, which takes the Galaxy S25 Ultra's image processing to the next level. Leveraging artificial intelligence, this system enhances every frame by reducing noise, boosting color depth, and expanding dynamic range. A particularly interesting addition is the spatiotemporal filter, which smartly identifies static and moving subjects in a frame, processing them separately to reduce blur and capture each detail crisply. Whether you're snapping a family photo or shooting a bustling cityscape, this feature ensures every moment looks stunning. Video enthusiasts will love the enhanced 8K recording capabilities. For the first time, the Galaxy S25 Ultra allows you to capture 8K videos at 30 frames per second, using not just the primary camera, but also the ultra-wide and 50-megapixel telephoto cameras. However, you'll need to choose one camera for 8K recording since switching between lenses isn't supported during filming. Samsung has also made 10-bit HDR the default for videos, offering richer and more vibrant colors than ever before, regardless of lighting conditions. Expert RAW mode has also been improved, giving photographers greater creative control. On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can now capture 200-megapixel RAW images, up from the previous 50-megapixel limit. Could Apple be preparing to launch a major redesign with the iPhone 17? Recent leaks have hinted that Apple might be rethinking its familiar iPhone design, particularly focusing on the camera. What if the iPhone 17 comes with a new camera bar similar to the one seen in Google's Pixel phones? This new design could signal a fresh direction for Apple, and fans are wondering, could this be the change that the iPhone series needs? By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. The excitement surrounding the iPhone 17 began back in November when rumors first suggested that the iPhone 17 Pro could feature a new camera design. These rumors were supported by subsequent leaks, including one from the supply chain, which showcased a horizontal camera bar on the back of the phone. This is a significant departure from the vertical camera arrays we've seen on previous iPhone models. What makes these leaks even more intriguing is that tipster Majin Buu recently posted images of what might be two prototypes of the iPhone 17 featuring this very horizontal camera bar. But there's more. These leaked prototypes appear to have a single rear camera, which hints that they could be part of the iPhone 17 Air model. This would make sense, as the Air model is expected to feature just one rear camera, unlike the Pro models. But, as is often the case with leaks, it's important to be cautious. There have been conflicting reports about whether Apple will indeed move forward with this design change. Some reports suggest that Apple is still testing out different ideas and could choose a larger rectangular camera bump, as hinted by the information. It's also possible that Apple is trying to combine the best of both worlds, something that offers both form and function. The leaked images are somewhat blurry, so it's difficult to say for sure if they represent the final design. But if they do reflect the iPhone 17 Air, the phone is said to be just 5.5 millimeters thick. For comparison, the iPhone 16 is 7.8 millimeters thick. If Apple pulls this off, the iPhone 17 Air could be one of the slimmest iPhones we've seen in years. Majin Buu isn't always right, but the number of leaks we've seen over the past few months strongly suggests that Apple is planning a major design overhaul for the iPhone 17 series. This is exciting news for Apple fans who have been longing for something fresh. Even if the final product turns out to be different from the leaks, just the idea of a redesigned iPhone is enough to spark excitement. It's clear that Apple is exploring new ways to improve the iPhone and make it stand out in a crowded market. But the camera system isn't the only area where the iPhone 17 could see significant changes. Reports also suggest that the Pro models might feature a smaller dynamic island. For those who aren't familiar, the dynamic island is the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the iPhone that houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. This feature has been a part of the iPhone since the iPhone 14, but it looks like Apple could make it even smaller on the iPhone 17 Pro. Additionally, the side rails of the Pro models might be redesigned, offering a new look and feel. These design changes would not only make the iPhone 17 more visually appealing, but could also improve the overall user experience, making the phone easier and more comfortable to hold. Apple's design changes focus on both aesthetics and functionality. If the leaks are true, the iPhone 17 Air could be slimmer at just 5.5 millimeters, redefining phone thickness and portability. We might also see better camera performance, especially with a single camera system, thanks to Apple's advancements in computational photography for improved low-light performance and enhanced image processing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Could Samsung's latest move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra signal a step in a new direction for the S Pen, or is it a shift that might leave some users disappointed? With the launch of the device on the horizon, leaks and rumors are swirling, giving fans a glimpse of what's to come. Recently, images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced, showing off a fresh design and a reimagined S Pen. But there's something different about this iteration. It seems that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may be moving away from the Bluetooth features that have been a staple of the S Pen since its introduction in 2018. Fans who are used to the ability to control presentations, snap photos remotely, and use Air actions through Bluetooth connectivity might find themselves questioning whether this is a step backward. A promotional image shared online gives us a peek into the new direction Samsung is taking with the S Pen. Gone are the Bluetooth features, and in their place, it seems like Samsung is focusing on a more straightforward experience that emphasizes basic functionalities like note-taking and drawing. The image shows the S Pen in a simpler context, and it's raised some questions. Will users miss the more advanced features they come to expect? The loss of Bluetooth support might be disappointing for some, but it's important to remember that the S Pen isn't completely stripped of its capabilities. The pen will still be able to summon Air Command, which allows for quick access to a range of stylus-compatible features. The key here is that Air Command doesn't require Bluetooth. It relies on electromagnetic resonance technology. This technology enables the device to detect the S Pen when it hovers near the screen, so you'll still be able to access those familiar features without Bluetooth connectivity. Why would Samsung make this change? One of the reasons could be that not every user finds Bluetooth features necessary for their daily tasks. For many, the core functionality of the S Pen is focused on writing, sketching, and note-taking. By removing Bluetooth, Samsung may be able to focus on improving the essential features, offering a more precise 1.5mm tip for better drawing and increased durability. These improvements could make the S Pen feel more refined, especially for users who primarily use it for basic tasks like jotting down notes or creating sketches. This shift could be Samsung's way of simplifying the experience, putting more emphasis on what truly matters to most users. But it's not just about the S Pen. There's also the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to consider. The leaked images of the device reveal some subtle yet notable changes. The device has slightly rounded corners and flat sides, offering a fresh new look while maintaining the premium feel that Samsung fans have come to love. The design might be familiar, but these small tweaks show that Samsung is focused on evolving the aesthetics of their devices without sacrificing quality or feel. As the launch date approaches, many fans are eager to get their hands on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pre-orders are already open, and by reserving the device early, you can take advantage of some impressive perks. Not only do you secure your device, but you can also enjoy savings of up to $1,250, along with a chance to win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. These incentives make it even more tempting to join in early, especially for those who want to be among the first to try out the new features. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. We'll keep you posted on everything Galaxy S25 Ultra as the launch draws near.